Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Yes, students, in the last week we have started new chapter, lesson 6, Microsoft PowerPoint. So today we are going to continue topic creating a new presentation. So to create a new presentation, follow the given steps. How we can create new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first step is click on the file tab and then new option. Yes, on this file tab we have to click, and after that new option we have to choose. So from the available templates and theme pane, choose the blank presentation option and click on the create button. From all these available templates we have to choose this blank presentation option. Yes, and at last we have to click create option. Yes, this is create option. So second way of to create any presentation is simply double click on the blank presentation option. Directly we can click double click also we can do. So next is a new presentation with the blank slide will open in the PowerPoint window. Yes, whenever we will click on this create option, a new presentation will open. So the default slide that appear when you create a new presentation is the title slide, which display the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. Yes, whenever your new blank presentation will open, you will see title slide. Yes, and dotted rectangular boxes, and that dotted rectangular boxes is called placeholder, where we can type any type of text. So next is to add a new slide. Click on the new slide button on the home tab. Yes, if we want any new slide, then we can choose new slide button from the home tab. So next, to change the layout of an active slide, click on the layout button and select the desired layout from the list. Yes, if we want to change the look of the slide, layout of the slide, then we can choose layout button. So next we have created new slide. So how we can write text, how we can add text into a placeholder. So to add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Firstly, click on the click to add title placeholder. Yes, whenever you will create blank presentation, you will see there is already written click to add title. Yes, we have to click on that. So the cursor appears in the text box. Whenever we will click, then our cursor will place inside the placeholder. Then you can type computer department, any text you can type. So click inside the click to add subtitle placeholder and type the learning with fun. You will notice that the enter text appears on the slide. So inside downside you will see click to add subtitle option. So there you can type learning with fun. They are typing learning with fun, but according to our requirement we can type any text. Yes, and after that we can see and we can notice our enter text on the slide. So now we have enter text in the placeholder. So our next task is we have to save our presentation also. So how we can save, and what is the need to save a presentation? So it is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Yes, if we have made 2 or 3 slides, any number of slides, so there is need to save our slides so that later we can use. Yes, and अगर कोई डेटा लॉस होता है, हार्डवेयर और पावर फेलियर होती है, तो हमारा वर्क सेव रहे. So how we can save any presentation? We have to click on the save button. This is save button. That this button is present on the quick access toolbar. Yes, or you can select the file tab and then save option. The save as dialog box will appear. Whenever we will choose this save button, this one dialog box it will open. So now specify the name my presentation in the file name text box and click on the save button. So in the file name you can see, here in this picture you can see file name, text box is present. Yes, so here you can type any text. Yes, so click on the save button. After typing your file name, you can click on this save button. So the presentation will be saved with the name my presentation and with an extension .pptx. Yes, whatever name you have given, according to that your file will be saved. Yes, and if we saved any file in PowerPoint presentation, its extension will be .pptx. Yes, its extension will be .pptx. So now next topic is closing and exiting a presentation. How to close presentation and how to exit a presentation. So firstly we have closing a presentation. हमने जो presentation बनाई है हम उसको close कैसे करेंगे. So click on the file tab and then close option. The presentation will be closed but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. If you will choose file tab and then close option, then your presentation will be closed but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन तो क्लोज हो जाएगी बट जो आपके पावर पॉइंट विंडो है स्क्रीन पे वो वैसे की वैसे अवेलेबल रहेगी. सो नाउ इफ यू वांट टू क्लोज फुल पावर पॉइंट एप्लीकेशन देन यू हैव टू चूज एग्जिट ऑप्शन. Yes, exiting a presentation. To close or exit PowerPoint application, full PowerPoint को अगर आपने close करना है, then you have to choose these steps. Click on the close button. So click on the close button on the title bar. On the title bar, you can directly press. You can click on close button. And second way is click on the file tab and then you can select the exit option. Yes, by clicking on the file tab, you can select exit option. So the Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Whenever we will choose this exit option, then full PowerPoint window will be closed. Yes. Okay, students, this is enough for today. Rest of the topics we will discuss in the next week. So take care, students. Have a nice day. Goodbye.